I'm going to show you how the game works. These are some trades that I did. The Australian US got in right about there. You see that mark, that arrow, making money. You see, those are about 6 trades. Look at all those trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 trades I'm in. The Australian US and a couple of trades with them. Also, Australian Japanese and some trades. Got in around here, this area, and a couple of trades. And the Euro US. That's my big one. Got in right here. See, it's still coming down. It's just, I'm smart. I know when to get in. I get in when it's at resistance or at support coming up. So this is how exciting it is. So all these 3 trades are in profit. I'll start closing them out. Close that one out. That's a big one. I'll close this one out. I'll close this one out too. Close them all out for the day. I don't like to be in trades over the weekend. Bam. This is how you build and build an account. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you, and we're good.